Welcome to the week of February 2nd to February 9th. On Monday, I am not here, so students will select this link that's attached to this Analysis 13, and will follow the video instructions for that lesson on Monday since I will not be there. Now, on Tuesday, I will return with a class discussion. We're going to go over our SMART goals if you hadn't already done so. If you were working ahead for third quarter, third quarter will end April 9th. And then we'll return back to make sure that people understood on what to do for lesson 13, which is watching the first video, taking notes. The video is about 2 minutes about Alfred Wegener. And then the second video is about plate tectonics. You'll go to your first period, or excuse me, whichever class period you're in link, and it'll take you to the analysis questions that can only be answered if you have taken the appropriate notes and been listening to what the video had to say. Going back to analysis 14, we are going to read this as a class, discuss the guiding question, and add that to our notes. Now for step 1, you're going to do analysis 14. You're going to watch an Edpuzzle video. You're going to create a 5-sentence summary of what you discussed or learned in the Edpuzzle, and then you're going to complete this analysis question. So here will be the link to your Edpuzzle video. Make sure to take notes. And then step 3, once you're done with Edpuzzle, will be to do the analysis questions, these two here. Number 2 might be a little complicated for some. You are going to be doing some math here, but don't get stressed. It's just multiplication. Feel free to use your calculator provided on your computer. And then on Wednesday, we'll have another class discussion continuing our rock cycle information. You will be referencing the drawing that you created a couple weeks ago. The reason why we did it then in a low-risk environment was so that you would have it ready for when we discussed lesson 15. So we're going to read this in class. We're going to discuss how rocks are formed. And then you'll do analysis 15. Now, analysis 15 is totally different. You're going to click on this link and you're going to log in by creating an account. You're going to use your computer login, the one that you use for Pasco School District, and you're going to use your computer password. Those are 2 that are very specific to you. And then you're going to play the Rock Cycle games. So there are 2 Rock Cycle games. You can do this with friends, anyone that you partner up with in class. It can take quite a bit of time only because you're going to try to learn how to play the game along with using the knowledge that you have already acquired about the rock cycle. Then I'm giving you a lengthy amount of time to get that done for Thursday, all day on class on Thursday, and then you'll move and we'll do the quiz or a test on Friday. Please remember, if you get all the must-dos done this week, you should move on to any of the should-dos that are here for you to do. As you can see, I have plenty of them loaded in here to reinforce your learning. All right, so thank you and have a great week.